5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, this is not first class.
Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro circus,
I like to make it move it. I like to move it.
The discovery of the ozone hole was probably one of the significant environmental discoveries of the 20th century. Nobody had expected such a dramatic change to be seen over Antarctica. What the ozone hole does is it allows more ultraviolet light through to the surface. Now that's a problem for living things at the surface, mostly in fact for us. Several things were key to our discovery. One was the fact that we'd used the Dobson ozone spectrophotometer for the entire period since 1956. That continuity was important because we could be confident that any changes we saw were changes in the atmosphere, not in how we made the measurements. It turned out that the reason we see an ozone hole over Antarctica is essentially because during the polar winter, temperatures fall below -78°C, and under those conditions, nacreous clouds can form in the ozone layer. Now these clouds are stunningly beautiful. They're also known as mother-of-pearl clouds, and although they're very beautiful, chemistry can take place on those clouds that converts chlorine from the chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, into an active form. And when the sun comes back in the Antarctic spring, that kicks into action chemical reactions that destroy ozone at about 1% a day. One outcome of our discovery of the ozone hole was the creation of the Montreal Protocol. This is an international treaty that bans the manufacture and release of ozone-destroying substances. Today, every single one of the UN member states has signed up, and the amount of ozone-destroying substances is going down. Nevertheless, because they're very stable gases, they'll be around for many years to come, and it may be 50 years before we can finally say that was the last ozone hole.
Too hot today. Good, you've an umbrella. You know umbrella not only saves us from rain, it also saves us from sun rays. But do you know there is bigger umbrella made by nature in the sky? In Earth's atmosphere, there is a layer in stratosphere, It is called ozone layer. It is about 15 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This is umbrella of the Earth. It protects our Earth from ultraviolet rays. Sun sends many kinds of rays towards all planets. Out of those ultraviolet rays are very dangerous for plants and humans. Ultraviolet rays are also called UV rays. Ozone layer umbrella absorbs these rays and protects the Earth. This ozone layer umbrella does not allow ultraviolet rays to come to Earth and harm us. Do you know the harm of ultraviolet rays? These can cause skin cancer, eye cataract, sunburns, and less plants. Do you know we humans are destroying this umbrella? By using old kind of air conditioners, old refrigerators, fire extinguishers, spray cans, we are spreading gases called CFCs. These CFCs gases destroy ozone layers by reacting with it. Ozone layer is getting badly affected by these CFC gases. There are now holes in ozone layers, so protective umbrella has no holes. So if there are holes in umbrella, UV rays would directly hit the Earth, so we humans would have less plants, more diseases. Don't worry, we can protect the ozone layer by using things which don't have CFCs.
Marty?
Da circus, da Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, afro.
Really?